Oh my God! What did I purchase? You guys think I can stand on this? Whoa! We're on it. Hey! Can I stand here? Oh yeah. It's looking pretty good. Oops. Hey, the door opens. Oh, wow. I like this seat. Huh, interesting. Okay. Well, let's crawl on in our vehicle here. Beautiful view out the nice and clean windshield. Ooh, we got speedometers. Other things. That. It's all looking great. This is a gear shifter. Okay. I think that's the window. I'm not seeing how to open the door on that side. Ooh. There's the door. Hey! Look at that. Door opens. Wow. This is a beauty. I bought a Dodge Power Wagon. 1951 civilian edition. Got one headlight. Looking great. Hey, this has got all the wires here. Look at that. We can easily fix that. Look at it. Turn indicators. Okay. Looking good. Let's go check out the bed. Uh-oh. This looks a little flat. Huh. Okay. All right, well, at least we got the frame. Thinking positively. This is looking good, looking good. Very nice, very nice. Okay, you tell me. It's golden hour, baby, and this thing is looking fine. So, we got all the emblems all the way around, which usually at least one is missing. We got headlight casings. We got a grill on the front to cook some dogs. Got glass. Got windows. We got doors. These doors are completely rusted out. It says AST. I don't know what that means. Let's see if this window opens. These never open. I'll be surprised. Oh yeah. Look at that. I mean, this thing is nice. I'm ready to like get out on the roadways. So tomorrow I'm gonna start doing stuff to it. I think we're gonna start with like a lot of body work, and then on the engine, once we get to that stage, the main problem it has is difficult to do one-handed. The main problem the engine has is right there. You can see it. This is where the carburetor and air filter should be. So we have to buy one of those and add that. And probably we need to redo all the wiring on this car. Saying our little indicator light here, the wire is not looking too great on that. Not seeing that go anywhere. Check out these guys. That one doesn't want to pull out. We got some like wire behind there, but who knows that actually connects to anything. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna get working on this thing. One more shot of the inside. Perfect gauges, not broken. Usually these are all cracked up. Got a glove box, which looks like something's been living in there. I don't want to find out. I don't have my mask on. I'm gonna put it on before I look back in there. And the floor is looking relatively pretty good. We need a seat, and we need a whole truck bed. Other than that, I think this thing's ready to get on the roadways. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow on the same video. Dodge Power Wagon. Okay, and we're back. So today what we're gonna first do is we're trying to get this hood off. So there's 2 screws right here. We just got the first one out, or at least the bolt on the back side. There's our screw, so we're gonna try to get this one out next so we can pull this whole hood butterfly assembly off. Good. Well, the hood's off. Don't cut yourself. A little bit sharp.
Alright, yeah, it is sharp.
It's a lot of bit sharp. That's good. There we go. Hood's off. Next thing are the fenders. Only 500 bolts to go.
Getting harder and harder. So about that? It broke off. I'll put it here. Yep. Hey. Headlight. Apparently that's expensive. Very nice. Like a margarita. Oh yeah. Headlight number 2. There we go. Last bolt. Hey! Let's see if we can pick it off. Oh yeah.
All right.
There's one.
That's the fender.
Wow.
Alrighty, so we have the whole fender off here now. You can see the supporting brackets for it. And then also we got this wheel well insert out that kind of blocks the motor. So we're gonna be able to a lot easier work on the motor now. So now we're gonna do this side, and with first start down there, and as you guys can see, there's not that many bolts that actually hold these in, but they're super rusted over, so they're really hard to get off. One bolt can take around 5 minutes. Okay, I got the last fender off here, ready to go put it in the actual truck that works. So we can add some paint to it. I'm totally just kidding, it's gonna need a lot more than paint. As you guys can see, this car needs a lot of body work, so we're gonna be doing a lot of Bondo and priming and sanding, so you guys will see all that probably in the next video for the pieces we've already taken off. And then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start working on all of the other pieces, including the cab and the front. And then once we kind of get through that, we're gonna break into the engine here and maybe do like a little bit of a cleanup job. And we're just gonna take this car step by step. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe. I'm definitely gonna have a bunch more coming out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Into the radiator cap.